Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 21. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue the 21st niche of top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into this. The first niche for today is Volleyball Practice Logbook, 135 results on Amazon. And let's take a look at the top ranking books in this niche. This book, the first one, is $5.99 and I sold a couple of times. When this one has a review, as you can tell, priced at $6.99. So the next one, it doesn't have a review, but as you can tell from the rank, it has sold. So as you can see, okay, this one right here has 3 reviews. So as you can tell, this book is selling. There are several books that are already selling. And let's take a look at Creative Fabric and see what interior they have for us. So this is the interior I found for you at Creative Fabrica. It's a volleyball practice logbook interior, priced at $3.99. By the way, if you're interested in getting the interiors, all these interiors at Creative Fabrica, I recommend that you get the monthly plan, which is $19 per month. There's a link in the description if you want to learn more. And over 7 people have added this to favorite. This volleyball practice logo belongs to. That's how it looks like, the cover. And it's available in InDesign and PowerPoint, so you can make changes if you want. It's 100 pages. So what do you get? This volleyball practice logo belongs to. You have the day, the time, end time, duration, weather, location, coach, focus, my focus, skill, practice, things to improve, affirmation, notes. That's it for Creative Fabrica. We're going to move forward to Publisher. Okay, here are the keywords that you can use: volleyball practice logbook and all the rest. So I'm just going to quickly scroll. So that's the end. We're going to move on to the second niche. Niche number 2 is full maintenance logbook, 125 results on Amazon. And we're going to do a quick scroll to see the first books or the books that are topping or ranking first in this niche. This one says Home Pool Cleaning Logbook. Has over 5 reviews, priced at $6.45. Yeah, $6.49. And do some more scrolling. And this one says, I think it's the same book. This one right here was sponsored. That's why it's ranking number 1. So he's obviously doing some sales for him to be advertising it like this. So that one is the same book. I'm going to scroll. This one says Pool Workbook, and it has had some sales, but no reviews yet. So we'll do some more scrolling. This one too, some sales, but no reviews. So we're going to do some more scrolling. So this one too has 5 reviews and price at $6.49. So as you can tell, these books are selling. As you can tell from the BSR, this one has a quite low BSR, price of $7.99. Wow. So estimated sales today is 4. So it has even sold today, guys. So let's go to Creative Fabric and see what interior they can get for us. KDP interior pool maintenance logbook, price at $3.99, has over 12 favorites. And what does it include? 120 pages, 6x9 inches, PDF file, available as InDesign and PowerPoint if you want to edit it. And we're going to go to Publisher Rocket to see what keywords we can use with this niche. Pool maintenance logbook. Pool maintenance logbook at the keywords in the pool maintenance log. Pool maintenance made easy. Pool maintenance hooks. No, you shouldn't use that. Pool maintenance organizer. Yeah, you should use this. So that is it for the keywords. I'm going to move over to the third niche. The third niche for today is the swimming logbook. So 289 results on Amazon. Scrolling down, look at the first book in this niche. This one, price at $7.17, and it hasn't sold yet. As you can tell from the BSR, it says not applicable. So we're going to move on to the next book, and this book right here, Open Water Swimming Logbook. One review, it has sold a couple of times. Just keep swimming. This one was sold, price of $5.99. And keep scrolling. This one too has a two reviews, and let's keep scrolling. My swimming logbook, this one too was sold and has a bunch of reviews. So we're gonna go to Crazy Fabrica to see what interior we can use with this niche. So apparently someone already purchased this interior. He already has a review. It's priced at $2.99, and let's see what the person says about this book, about the interior. Sorry, the person says thanks, and the producer, author of the interior says thank you for using April. So he was apparently happy with it and left a comment. So what does it include? It includes 220 pages, 6 by 9 inches, PDF file, 300 dpi, InDesign file, and PowerPoint if you want to edit. So that's it for the interior. I'm going to move over to the keywords to see what keywords we can use with this niche. Is a swimming logbook, and apparently it's just swimming logbook for kids. That are the keywords. So that's it for niche number 3. Moving over to niche number 4 is the skydiving logbook. Skydiving logbook, we're going to do a quick scroll. It's just 118 results on Amazon, and this one doesn't look like KDP. So the first book that we can see it is Skydiving logbook 8.5 by 8.25 by 6 inches skydive logbook, and has over 20 reviews. And if we scroll down, the same publisher by a different color. This is a green book. The first one was a black book, and this one is a green book and has over 3 reviews. So they're apparently loving his books or loving this niche. And as you can tell, all of them are selling. Look at this. BSR, this one has 18 reviews. So guys, and look at the BSR 300 and something. It's definitely very low. So this is a very profitable niche, as you can tell from the sales. And what we're going to do is go to Creative Fabrica and see what interior we can use. KDP Skydiving Logbook, over 2 reviews. Let's scroll down and take a look at the reviews. Whenever I say review, that's one of the first things that I run to go and look at. This person says, good job. The other person says, thank you. So they're obviously loving this interior. And what does it come with? It comes with InDesign PowerPoint presentation file, so you can edit if you want to. PDF file, ready to upload 100 pages. The size is 6 by 9 inches. And what is included? This skydiving logbook belongs to the date, the jump number, location, aircraft, exit altitude, deploy altitude, free fall altitude, free fall time, the type of jump, wind landings, equipment, team information, note signature. Wow, that's a lot of information for those who are doing skydiving. So I was thinking that maybe skydiving had to do with fun, like people just wanted to go for skydiving. I didn't know that like people had to record it. It's just very new to me, and I just thought I should put it out there. So we're gonna move over to the last niche of today. Last niche of today is a order and sales track book logbook. Order and sales tracker logbook. This one says, oh, it is all right. So it says sales order teaches for small businesses. Okay, so it is an order and sales tracker logbook for small businesses, and it has sold 792,000 BSR. And this one too, price of 599, has sold too. And let's keep scrolling. This one hasn't sold yet, not applicable, as you can tell from the BSR. And this one too has sold. Order tracker for small businesses, over 4 reviews. So guys, as you can tell, this niche is selling. What I'm gonna do is go to Creative Fabric and see what interior we can use with this. It's a KDP order and sales tracker interior area has a review. So let's go. Wow, 36 people have added this to favorites, guys. So let's go and see what review this person left for us. He says size is 8.5 by 11, not 6 by 9. Edit your description. You are right. Thank you. So, guys, as you can tell from what the person who bought this interior says, that it is actually, the size is actually 8.5 by 11, not 6 by 9. Let's see if they've edited it. So 6 by 9. So apparently the author hasn't edited it, but as you can tell from the description, and it was bought at January 30th, 2021. So it was bought some few months ago, and all you need to know is that it's 8.5 by 11, not 6 by 9, and the author hasn't edited it. So just be wary of this. That's why I like to look at reviews, because some people leave very important information there, as we have just seen. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.